Hi friends, welcome to the channel Nurses Forum. Today we can discuss some important questions on COVID-19. At least 2-3 questions can come from COVID-19 areas in the forthcoming NORCET examination. Before going to the topic, those who are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Let us begin. First question. Coronavirus has started from Wuhan in China. It is located in which province of China? Options: Hubei, Shanghai, Shenzhen, none of these. Coronavirus has started from Wuhan in China. It is located in which province of China? Right answer is Hubei. Coronavirus has started in Hubei province of China. Next question. On which date WHO declared COVID-19 as a global pandemic? On which date WHO declared COVID-19 as a global pandemic? Options: 31st December 2019, 30th January 2020, 11th March 2020, 19th March 2020. Let us see the answer. The right answer is 11th March 2020. Next question. What does the structure of the coronavirus looks like when viewed with a microscope? What does the structure of the coronavirus look like when viewed with a microscope? Options: crown, ring, helical, oval. This question asks about what is the structure of the coronavirus. Right answer: crown. Right answer is crown. While we are seeing the coronavirus with the help of a microscope, we can see a crown-like projection on the virus envelope, so that it is called as a coronavirus. Due to this crown-like projection, the virus got the specific name corona. Next question. World Health Organization (WHO) on 11th February 2020 announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What is the new name of the disease? Options: COVID-19, COVID-19, CONV20, CONVID-19. What is the official name of new coronavirus disease? Let us see the answer. Right answer is COVID-19. COVID-19. We can see the next question. What is the official name of virus causing COVID-19? What is the official name of virus causing COVID-19? Options: novel coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus, COVID-19 virus. What is the official name of virus causing COVID-19? Right answer is SARS-CoV-2. Severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. International Committee on Taxonomy of Virus announced the name of novel coronavirus causing COVID-19 to SARS-CoV-2 on 11th February 2020. International Committee on Taxonomy of Virus. This is a committee who gave the name to novel coronavirus to SARS-CoV-2. The date also please note: 11th February 2020. Next question. The expanded form of COVID-19 is co-viral disease 19, coronavirus disorder 19, coronavirus disease of 2019, coronavirus deficiency syndrome 19. Right answer is coronavirus disease of 2019. This is the expanded form of COVID-19, coronavirus disease of 2019. Next question. On which date Government of India imposed Janata curfew to contain the spread of COVID-19 pandemic? On which date Government of India imposed Janata curfew to contain the spread of COVID-19 pandemic? 22 March 2020, 20th March 2020, 23rd March 2020, 24th March 2020. The right answer is 22nd March 2020. This was the date Government of India imposed Janata curfew. Next question. When was the first case of COVID-19 reported in India? When was the first case of COVID-19 reported in India? January 30th, 2020, March 1st, 2020, December 31st, 2019, February 10, 2020. Right answer is January 30th, 2020. First case was reported in Thrissur district of Kerala. The first case was reported in Thrissur district of Kerala. We can move to the next question. How many days of lockdown was imposed all over India on the first phase of lockdown starting from 25th March 2020? How many days of lockdown was imposed all over India on the first phase of lockdown? The right answer is 21 days. 21 days. The first phase of lockdown started on 25th March and it ends on 14th April 2020. From 25th March to 14th April. Next question. Indian government launches which application to track COVID-19 pandemic? Options: COVID-19, Corona 19, Arogya Setu, Coronavirus Tracker. Everybody know this answer? See the right answer. Right answer is Arogya Setu. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MEIT. This is the ministry launched the Arogya Setu application on 2nd April 2020 to contain the spread of COVID-19. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, who launched the Arogya Setu application on 2nd April 2020. Please note the image also. This also can ask in examination, the image of Arogya Setu application. We can move to the next question. Nucleic acid found in novel coronavirus 2. Positive sense single stranded RNA, negative sense single stranded RNA, negative sense double stranded RNA, positive sense double stranded DNA. Which is a nucleic acid found in novel coronavirus 2? Right answer is positive sense single stranded RNA. Positive sense single stranded RNA. Next question. The time duration from exposure to onset of symptoms for COVID-19 pandemic is typically around. This question asks about the incubation period of COVID-19. 18 to 22 days, 1 to 4 days, 2 to 14 days, 15 to 30 days. What is the incubation period of COVID-19? Right answer is 2 to 14 days. Right answer is 2 to 14 days. Next question. What is the recommended social distancing between two persons according to CDC, Center for Disease Control and Prevention, United States? What is the recommended social distancing between two persons? Options: 3 feet, 6 feet, 8 feet, 10 feet. Right answer is 6 feet, about 2 meters, 6 feet. Next question. Alcohol based sanitizer which used to perform hand hygiene must have ethanol concentration of alcohol based sanitizer which used to perform hand hygiene must have ethanol concentration of options 20 to 40 percentage, 5 to 10 percentage, 100 percentage, more than 60 percentage. Right answer is more than 60 percentage. Next question. Which of the following is the most common symptoms of COVID-19? Which of the following is the most common symptoms of COVID-19? Option A, fever, dry cough, tiredness, fever, throat pain, diarrhea, sore throat, headache, body pain, fever, anosmia, headache. Right answer is fever, dry cough and tiredness. This is the most common symptom of COVID-19. Fever, dry cough and tiredness. About 70 to 80 percentage people are coming with these symptoms. Fever, dry cough and tiredness. Next question. Convalescent plasma therapy provides which type of immunity? Active natural immunity, passive natural immunity, active artificial immunity, passive artificial immunity. This is one of the most important treatment modality while we are using against COVID-19, convalescent plasma therapy. Which type of immunity will provide with convalescent plasma therapy? This is the question. Right answer is passive artificial immunity. Passive artificial immunity. Here we are giving the immunoglobulins to the patient. Here we are providing with immunoglobulins like IgG and IgM. So it is an example of passive artificial immunity. Next question. Which of the following anti-HIV drugs are currently used for coronavirus 2 treatment? Sidbudin, nevirapine, ritonavir or lopinavir, dolutegravir. Options: sidbudin, nevirapine, ritonavir or lopinavir, dolutegravir. Right answer is ritonavir, lopinavir. This is the anti-HIV drugs we are currently using against COVID-19. Next question. Which of the following is the best method to confirm COVID-19? Options: molecular testing, serology testing, rapid diagnostic test, antigen test. What are the options? Molecular testing, serologic testing, rapid diagnostic test and antigen test. Right answer is molecular testing. Let us have a brief discussion about this molecular testing and serology testing. Molecular testing detects genetic material of the virus, so can detect if a person is currently infected with COVID-19 virus. Molecular test detect genetic material of the virus, so it will help to get a person who is infected with COVID-19 virus. It helps to diagnose the acute infection. The person who is currently infected with the COVID-19 virus, by doing molecular test we can get it. Real-time RT-PCR is a molecular test. Real-time RT-PCR, reverse transcription of polymerase chain reaction. This is the most important test to diagnose the COVID-19 virus. real-time PCR, RT-PCR, reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. This is the most widely used diagnostic test to confirm COVID-19. The next one is serology testing. It detects antibodies against the virus and so can detect if a person had a recent or past infection with COVID-19. Serology testing helps to detect the antibodies only, like IgM, IgG, the person who have an infection in the recent past. Serology test helps to detect if a person who had a recent or past infection with COVID-19. So we will get the after the serology test, we will get IgM or IgG antibodies in their blood. Serology test cannot be used to diagnose acute infection with COVID-19. For getting the acute infection with COVID-19, we have to do real-time RT-PCR. It's a molecular testing. Next question. Which of the following solution is used to disinfect the surface in COVID treatment unit? Which of the following solution is used to disinfect the surface in COVID treatment unit? 1% sodium hypochlorite solution, 5% sodium hypochlorite solution, Dettol solution, hydrogen peroxide solution. Right answer is sodium hypochlorite solution. Which of the following is not related to coronavirus? COVID-19, SARS, MERS, MRSA. Right answer is MRSA. COVID-19, we know COVID-19 occurs due to SARS-CoV-2. SARS also occurs due to the coronavirus. It is severe acute respiratory syndrome. MERS, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. It is also occurs due to the coronavirus. It was first identified in Middle East in 2012. MRSA is methicillin resistant Staphylococcus aureus. It is not related to coronavirus. So the right answer is MRSA. Next question. Which of the following drug is called molecule of hope for COVID-19 treatment? Options: remdesivir, acyclovir, hydroxychloroquine, lopinavir, ritonavir. Right answer is remdesivir. So remdesivir is called as a molecule of hope for COVID-19 treatment. It reduces the RNA synthesis. Next question. Keeping people under quarantine, those who have had an exposure with COVID-19 virus is an example of which level of prevention? This question asks about quarantine is a which level of prevention? Primary prevention, secondary prevention, primordial prevention, tertiary prevention. Right answer is primary prevention. Thank you for watching this video, friends. All the best.